I'm Jennifer Idler, and this is Idler's Home. Our company's been around since 1954. We are a family-owned business. My grandparents started it in the 50s, and growing up in the 50s, 60s, 70s, my dad and all of his brothers and sisters worked in the store, doing every aspect from delivery to sales. Late 70s, it was just my dad, and we were in Atascadero. That's one of our main stores that we had there. That's when we joined the chamber, became, I feel like, a bigger part of the community in the North County, which we love. And we haven't looked back since. And here we are, 2024, with 5 stores, Santa Maria, San Luis Obispo, and Paso Robles. We feel we're very different here at Idler's Home from another experience you may have buying an appliance or a mattress maybe. We're gonna listen, we're gonna take all of your needs into account. We're definitely not gonna sell you something that you don't need. We're gonna sell you what works for you and your family. Idler's Home loves the Central Coast. I don't think we could imagine being anywhere else. The community is amazing. We're a part of it on the daily. All of our families that work here are, whether it's schools, different nonprofits, volunteering for different groups, being part of every chamber in every city that we're in, Rotary. This community is incredible, and we're so happy to be part of it. I really think the chamber has helped us over the years connect with people. Like I said, going to different mixers, getting our brand out there. It's almost every time I go to an event, someone comes up to me and says, "Oh my gosh, my refrigerator's gone out," or "My sofa, we finally need a new one. It's met its lifespan." So it's nice to have those conversations with people just a little more organically than someone rushing into the store and needing that. So it's really connected us with people, community, and we're meeting people's needs, and that's what we're here for.